Hi everybody. I want to talk about CBD oil. I know a lot of people on YouTube, they always search and they wonder, or they're either thinking, should they get CBD oil? I recommend you do give CBD oil a try. Personally, I use it for my anxiety and pain. And if you didn't know, CBD oil, it has several benefits to it. Once you take CBD oil, it can help you. One benefit from taking it is it helps relieve pain. It also helps treat anxiety and depression, and it even helps with some people who have cancer. It helps lessen the symptoms, and it even helps if you're have an addiction problem or something like that. Like say you've been abusing alcohol, or either you have abused some type of substance in the past. Once you start taking CBD oil, it helps get rid of that. So it has a lot of great benefits. And another good thing about CBD oil is it doesn't have no side effects or nothing like that. So, if you've been wondering, should you get CBD oil, it's a link under my video. Click that link and it'll take you to the website where I get my CBD oil from. It always arrives very fast in the mail. And as far as CBD oils, it's one of the top ones. And I use it every night for my pain and stuff. But like I said, CBD oil has a lot of great benefits for people who are looking, for something to help with addiction, pain, depression, and even anxiety. CBD oil has a lot of huge benefits out there, and I'm surprised a lot of people don't know about CBD oil. But if this is the first time you're learning about it, it's definitely something you should give a try, especially if you suffer from any type of pains, knee pains, back pain, any type of pain. CBD oil works very well. It treats it very fast, and like I said, it has no side effects, and more people should use it. And if you don't know where to get it, click the link under my video and go to the website and order it. It doesn't, like I said, it doesn't take long to come in the mail. And once you start taking it, within a few days, you're going to notice the difference. How whatever type of problem you have, it goes away, and you're going to feel much better, and you're going to feel like a new person. CBD oil is a natural medicine, and like I said, it works very well. So you should definitely give it a try. So click the link under the video and go to the website and purchase it. And this is the first time you've seen my video, please like my video, and also share this video with anyone who think you will find this video useful. And once again, CBD oil does work very well, and you should definitely give it a try. If you suffer from anxiety, pain, or you have some type of addictions like smoking cigarettes, or maybe you have abused substances in the past, CBD oil will help get rid of all of that. It works very well, so go give it a try.